Here at Betterhomes, we obsess over lots of things, but two things that are definitely towards the top of that list is our brand and our people. Two things that are very, very closely linked. I am acutely aware that our people are the biggest representation of the brand that we have. So the skills required to go out there to do the job, not just to generate revenue, but also to create long-lasting client relationships, is absolutely key.
At Betterhomes, learning is not just an initiative, it's a mindset. My name's Jessica, I'm the head of learning and development, and it's my role to ensure that everyone joining our business, whether as a new agent, whether as support staff, or whether in a leadership position, has all of the tools that they need to succeed, because we invest in all our people. We want our agents to be the most knowledgeable in the market. So when it comes to RERA certification, we ensure that all of our training is in line with RERA guidelines. This allows our agents to have a head start when it's time to get their RERA cards. So when you start your journey with Betterhomes as a brand new agent, we ensure that you have a comprehensive 1-week training. In that week, you will be able to learn the basics and the foundations of the Dubai real estate market. You'll also get to meet key players within the business. You'll understand our wider group as Sencorp, and then you'll be able to learn everything that you need to know, whether leasing or sales or both, to be able to operate at the highest level within the Dubai market. For our existing agents and our seniors, we have refresher training and ongoing training to ensure that they are always at the top of their game. So our leadership trainings take our leaders through a journey of understanding who they are and understanding what that means in a team dynamic. We cover this and so much more in our leadership trainings, whether they're senior leaders or whether they're emerging leaders, because we believe that great leaders are not born, they're developed. Over the past year, it's been exciting to see all of the positive changes that L&D has made to the business. One of the most notable ones is our culture. We now have a culture of learning where people are excited to be in the room and to upskill themselves, and also excited to give back and to pour into other people that are new to the industry and just becoming part of our business. And so we're really excited for all of the new initiatives and the new things we're launching within L&D and for all of the great things to come at Betterhomes.